muscle here. All right, so this is called the iliopsoas. All right, I would clear it better, but this is the iliopsoas, the muscle on the back wall of the abdomen. Then we have two large superficial muscles on the anterior ventral surface of the thigh. Okay, the medial one is called the gracilis, and the lateral one is called the sartorius. So this is the gracilis, this is the sartorius. When you lift the gracilis, all right, you see the adductor longus, which is this little diagonal muscle. This muscle here is the adductor femoris. Then we have two of the hamstrings. We have the semimembranosus, and the one that hangs down like a tail is the semitendinosus. Okay, so again you have the adductor longus, the adductor femoris, semimembranosus, semitendinosus. When you lift the sartorius, which is one of the longest muscles in the human body, underneath you see the four quadriceps. The big quadricep in the middle is called the rectus femoris. It looks like a hot dog and a hot dog bun. Then you have the vastus medialis and the vastus lateralis. So it's almost like picture like a hot dog and a hot dog bun. The hot dog is the rectus femoris. All right, the bun on top is the vastus medialis. And on the lateral, the bottom part is called the vastus lateralis. So I could ask you the vastus lateralis from either the side view or from the anterior view, right? Okay, underneath the rectus femoris, right on the femur itself, is the vastus intermedius. So I would have to either cut the rectus femoris or lift it to ask you the vastus intermedius. Okay, so these are all part of the quadriceps. So I could put a pin in two or three of these muscles, say identify, and then ask you what they're part of, the quadriceps. They all insert on the tibial tuberosity, right? If I ask you any quadricep, the insertion is the tibial tuberosity. Okay, notice if I pull on the rectus femoris, it extends the leg, right? See, I'm pulling on the rectus femoris, the cat is kicking, right? Okay, so the big one in the middle is the rectus femoris. You have the vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, and underneath the rectus femoris is the vastus intermedius. All right, then we turn the cat over. Okay, all right, it's a big guy here, all right. These are the gluteal muscles. You have the gluteus medius, all right, the first one. The gluteus medius is larger than the gluteus maximus in the cat. So it goes gluteus medius, gluteus maximus is this one. And then the third strip is called the quadrafemoralis. All right, gluteus medius, gluteus maximus, quadrafemoralis. This is the vastus lateralis from the side of the cat's thigh. And this muscle here, this triangular-shaped muscle, is called the tensor fascia lata. You can see some of the fascia still attached to it. Okay, so the triangular muscle underneath the gluteus medius, right here, this is called the tensor fascia lata. Okay, and then we looked at the three hamstrings. The largest and most lateral hamstring is the biceps femoris. Okay, you can see the sciatic nerve running under it. And then you have the semimembranosus again and the semitendinosus. So there are three hamstrings, biceps femoris. Right, this shouldn't split, it just got cut by mistake. This is biceps femoris, semimembranosus, semitendinosus, 1, 2, 3. And the ones we did today again, this is the gastrocnemius, right? The big, like the drumstick of a chicken, this is the calf muscle. And between the two heads of the gastrocnemius is the plantaris. This in the middle is the plantaris. And the deepest calf muscle is called the soleus, or GPS. Gastrocnemius, plantaris, soleus. They all insert into the heel of the foot by the Achilles tendon or the calcaneal tendon. On the front of the leg, all right, here you have the tibia, and lateral to the tibia, this large muscle here is called the tibialis anterior. Okay, and those are the muscles in the cat.